Welcome to our channel. If you want to download Udemy courses for offline viewing, follow these step-by-step instructions to save your courses directly to your device. Step 1. Open the Udemy mobile app on your iOS or Android device. Note that offline downloads are only available through the mobile app, not the web browser. Step 2. Log in to your Udemy account using your email and password or through your connected social media account. Step 3. Navigate to the My Learning tab at the bottom of the screen to view all the courses you're enrolled in. Step 4. Select the course you want to download for offline viewing by tapping on it. Step 5. Look for the download icon next to each lecture or section. Tap the download icon next to individual lectures, or tap Download section to download all lectures in that section at once. Step 6. Wait for the download to complete. You can monitor progress in the download section of the app. Make sure you have sufficient storage space on your device. Step 7. To access downloaded content, go to My Learning and look for the downloaded filter or section where all your offline content is stored. Step 8. Remember that downloaded content expires after 30 days without an internet connection. Simply go online to refresh your downloads and extend access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.